What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny. Got another stretching video for you. If you were here last time, you saw my last video when I went over some resistance band stretches. Today we're going to talk about some partner stretches. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, so first thing, you're going to have your partner lay down on their back and we'll do a few stretches. I'll take you through those real quick.
Alright, now with your partner flat on their back, arms and legs spread flat as well, I will be starting with my partner's right leg, using my left arm, the outside arm there. You'll see it goes straight to the balls of the foot and pushes down, and my other arm goes slightly below the knee, keeping the leg straight. Then I'll go up as much as possible until the partner can't go any further. Try to get as deep as possible. I like to bounce around a little bit, getting deeper and deeper as I go. And then I shake it out there, as you can see. And then here, as you can see from this angle, my knee is holding the leg down that's on the ground as I'm pushing the other leg up. Alright, now with this second stretch, you bring the leg up again and bring it to the outside as shown here. That back leg will go in the thigh area above the knee up towards the groin, and as you can see the other foot is towards the ankle above the knee on that side. And then you can push that leg down as well to increase the stretch, the inner groin stretch here, similar to the butterfly stretch. You can just get a lot deeper here with a partner. And again, you can see my foot placement and pushing that back leg down to increase the stretch. Alright, now with this third stretch, you're starting from the same position again, except now you're bringing that leg across the body. As you can see, your foot placement will stay about the same as the last stretch we did. That leg will be above the knee in the thigh area, and the leg that goes up will be in the ankle area. And as you can see, our little kitty Hermes is enjoying his stretch with us. Now this stretch, typically people's shoulders will come up, so I like to push that opposite shoulder down. You'll see again here with this other side. This stretch will get your back, butt, and hamstrings. And as you can see, I'm pushing the shoulder there and the leg.
Whew, got me sweating and I didn't even stretch. Yeah, typically you will be sweating after these. You do burn calories when you stretch. Alright guys, so we got one last final stretch for you, the bonus round. This is where the champions are born. Alright, so we're going to have your partner flip to their stomachs. And then let's get right to it.
Okay, so with your partner on their stomach, you can start with either leg again. And I'm bringing it up there. The straighter it is, the more it stretches the abdominal and hip area. And then as you bring the ankle closer to the butt, it stretches more of the quads. And then you can mess with the angles too to stretch, different secondary muscles and different angles. And as you can see from this angle, I'm using my knee again to hold that leg down as I'm bringing the other leg up. And again, just messing with different angles. It's important to communicate throughout these stretches, making sure you're not going too far. And that pretty much wraps up the video. Let's give Sade a round of applause.
Alright guys, well that wraps up our video for today. Those were just a few of the stretches you guys can do together. Like I said, if you have a partner that you're going to the gym with or something. Thank you again to Sade for helping us out with our video and stretches. She did a great job. She's really flexible. I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And comment below if you have any other ideas or anything you want to see in the future. Thanks again, guys.